Welcome friends. In our previous tutorial, we have seen how we can retrieve data from a table. Now, often it is important to retrieve only some specific data from a table with some conditions. So, in this tutorial, we will learn how to retrieve data using conditions. For that, there is a where clause in the SQL. So let's take a look. Select star from users. This is our old SQL query. Now give a space and write down where. How this where works is it looks for the condition we write down after where and it applies the operations written before that. So if we give it an input of where username is equal to user, that means the column username has to be equal to this value. So it is a column name, operator and value. Once again, column name, operator and value. And if we execute this query, it will retrieve one column only because the where clause looks at the username column, and where the username is equal to user, it select only that particular row and retrieve. We can do it in the other way where id is equal to 4. Let's run it. So as you can see, id is 4, username is user3 and password is my password. So it goes to the ID column and check for 4 and it performs this operation on that particular row. We can change this operator and do several things. Like if we can do this where ID is greater than 3 and execute it. So it will perform this operation on all the IDs which is greater than 3. That means on 4 and 5. So it retrieves this information. If we write down less than and execute it, it will show us 1 and 2 because they are less than 3. So this is how we can conditionally retrieve data using the where clause. Thank you.